Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, how satisfying is that? If you have someone in your family with a need to fidget, you're gonna love this fidget pen from CHENYUCHAO. Now, this fidget pen is magnetic. So yes, it's a fully functional pen, but it disassembles so that you can take all the pieces and play with it, fidget with it, create different designs. It comes with these stainless steel balls that you can use together with the casing that goes over the pen, and you can build all sorts of things. We have found so many benefits to having something to fidget with for my boys to be able to complete their schoolwork. If their hands are busy, their minds can focus better. This one is multicolored. You can see exactly what it comes with here. So it has 3 different ink refills. It has a couple different size stainless steel balls. It has the clip for the pen, and then it has stylus tips. Everything works really well. The quality is excellent. It's a lot of fun to play with and use your imagination and come up with different ways to use it. If you have more than one set, of course, you can build more things. I think this would make an excellent gift. We have one for each of my sons and they really enjoy it. So if you're looking to satisfy the fidgeter in your life, this is an awesome choice, and that's my point of view.